Do you want to know why ATM Profits is a great product with a terrible name? If so, stay with me. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here. Now,
concierge of crime, man in the hat.
If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead and ignore my stale dad jokes. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my class? Very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, you're back? Bart used to nag me all the time on my videos. He disappeared in favor of Kramer and Newman and that crazy guy that was talking about loving crap. And you know what? Bart, nice to see you again. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like about it, I will give a tip and answer about it creative. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she's been with me for years now. She always says the same thing, but you know what? She's nice about it, so why not? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. And without wasting any more of your time, let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for ATM Profits. Now, ATM, I'm sure, unless you live in a cave or maybe you live in a foreign country and you just don't know the American term for a those machines that you use to stick your card in, take out money, automated teller machine. Basically, the idea is that it's like sticking your card into a machine and money comes spitting out. To me, that's a terrible, terrible name for what is an amazingly good quality product. And I'll explain to you why. Because a lot of people, when they get into this industry, making money online, they treat this like an ATM. They treat it like, oh yeah, I'm going to stick a card in and money's going to come spitting out. And yes, you can make a ton of money and it's not hard to do. And this is going to show you how to do it. The thing is, I don't want you to treat your business like an ATM. Because if you treat it like an ATM, eventually your business is going to go away. People are going to stop buying from you. Okay, if you treat your business with respect, because ultimately you're dealing with people. And if you treat them with respect, they're going to respect you and they're going to buy from you for years and years. And it'll be like an ATM. I just don't like the idea of calling it an ATM because it's not, because you're basically dealing with actual people. Okay, and you have to treat them with decency and respect. And on that note, I'm going to tell you more details in my custom bonus. But let me tell you, I looked over the members area for this product. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. It's a great product. It's going to teach you exactly what you need to know in order to start building up a real business and make real money online. It's going to teach you the techniques that you have to have in order to be able to make serious money. Okay, this over here, this stuff here that you can see here, that is definitely doable. Okay, this one may be $485.90. That's probably from a webinar, to be honest. But most of these other numbers, these are definitely doable numbers. 50 bucks from a sale, not a problem at all. That can be done easily. Okay, seriously, it's easy to do these kind of numbers. Okay, this is not a difficult thing to be doing, to be making money like this from sales as an affiliate in online. Okay, and it's not hard, and they're going to teach you how to do it. But there's one thing that I noticed that's really, really missing from this course, which I'm going to fill that vacancy, that hole in the course with my own custom bonus. There's actually two things I'm going to give to you. First and foremost, I'm going to teach you the one thing that's missing from this course. It's really probably the most important thing. And so many people who get into this industry get this wrong, but it is the absolute most vital thing that you can learn. If you want to be making money online, you need to learn this one thing. Okay, if you don't learn this, you might make some money, but then you're going to lose it all. Okay, you're not going to be able to sustain it. If you want to have a sustainable business that you're going to keep making money from years and years and years, you need to learn this one trick. It's really, really important to pick this up. I'm going to tell you about it. I just made a custom video explaining exactly what it is that you need to know. That's the first thing. The second thing, and I'm going to show you the members area real quick over here. You can see here, they're going to show you exactly how this works, how you make money with this method. And it really does work really, really well. It's going to show you step by step exactly what you need to be doing. But I wanted to give you something really, really special. Okay, you can, if you're looking at this video on YouTube, then click the link below the video. If you're looking at it on my website, you already see my custom made bonus page. Now this, I built this page myself. Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually give you the custom made page, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. It uses specialized techniques that nobody else has. I'm going to show you how to create your own version of this, exactly step by step. Each item, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. It's in my custom bonus that I just created for this particular product. Nobody's seen this yet. I've never given this away before. I'm also going to give you a bunch of ebooks that you can give away as a bonus when you do this, because ultimately you need to give bonuses, and that's part of what I'm going to teach you in my custom bonus, but it's not the only thing I'm going to teach you. Okay, if you pick up any upgrade to this product, I'm going to give you something I haven't given them for a long time. I'm going to give you PLR to my 7-video series called the IM FAQ, the Internet Marketing Frequently Asked Questions. It's a series of 7 videos that you can sell, give away, use this as a bonus. And I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in that people constantly ask these questions when they're getting started. And it's one of the most valuable products I've ever put together. I've rarely given it away. Having it away for a very long time, I'm going to give it to you as a bonus when you pick up any upgrade to this product. But again, you really do want to get this with my custom bonus, because I'm telling you, there's one missing piece to this puzzle. This is a great product, but there's one important missing piece in this puzzle. And I'm going to teach you exactly what that missing piece is in my custom bonus. There's 2 videos that I created for my custom bonus. The first one is teaching you this missing piece, why it's so valuable, and why this is going to make the difference whether or not you're going to succeed long term. The second part is a video showing you how to install and use my custom bonus, my custom bonus page, which you're able to use for yourself and actually make some money off of it. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Master Product Creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay. I really do like this. You rock. It's a great product. Terrible name, but a great product. And again, you're going to see in my custom bonus why I think this is a terrible name, but a great, great product. Grab this one. Make sure you get it with my custom bonus, because it will make a big difference for you. You're going to love this.